Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2006 Hummer H3. I used to sell quite a few of these, including the H2, but unfortunately they quit making them, so they're kind of hard to come by now. It's very low miles, got only 106,000 miles for 06. It's very low, that's less than 10,000 miles a year average. This one has the luxury package, which back then was the top of the line. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's got the chrome wheels, it's got new tires, chrome mirrors, door handles, running boards, got the chrome brush guard, automatic headlights, fog lights, got it all. This was a local trade, and when I traded for it, the fenders were all scratched up and damaged, so I had them painted with a rhino-like material, and I think it looks pretty sharp. It'll make it where you won't have to worry about it anymore, because these are prone to scratches and nicks from rocks. I think this should have been a factory option back then, but took care of it. So it's got keyless remote entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got nice leather seats, tan leather seats. They're in good shape, considering it's 12 years old. Got heated seat on both sides, power seats on both sides. It's got nice Weathertech floor mat, keep everything nice and clean. Tilt steering, automatic headlights. It's got the leather wrap steering wheel. Let's see here. $106,922. Got simple, easy to read display. Got your cruise control, wiper control, front, rear. This one has the optional navigation system. I don't know if my filter shows it, but it does have nav. AM, FM, CD, XM, satellite radio. Traction control. This is all-wheel drive. You can lock in the front and rear differential. There's your climate control. Couple outlets. Rear wiper control. There's your automatic transmission with overdrive. Some storage. It's got a nice aftermarket dash tray. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. OnStar. Outside temperature compass. Power sunroof. Very nice. Everything works like it's supposed to. These are fun to drive, comfortable, quiet. Even though this is a rugged vehicle, it handles like a luxury vehicle. Got an extra key, wheel lock, owner's manual. Original window sticker is 41.5, so this was not a cheap vehicle back then. And it's in great condition. Make you a nice vehicle. Alright, let's see here. Weathertech on the rear also. Nice comfortable seats, got the brown piping all around it. Got a cup holder here. Everything's in good shape. Got some 16-inch chrome wheels. No rust. Got knee-deep in tire. Chrome cover here, chrome here, a little bling. Got the mud flaps. This one has a towing package, full size spare. Got a nice cargo mat. It's got a rubber floor, easy to keep clean. The back seat lays down forward for some extra cargo space. You got another outlet. I believe that's your jack equipment. It's got the monsoon sound system with the subwoofer in the back. On the jack equipment is here. I believe that's just storage on the other one. Body's in good shape. I mean, it's black. There might be a little few scratches and nicks, but nothing crazy. So with the luxury package, you got this feature here: power seat and heated seat for the passenger also. I don't know why they quit making these, because they're a great vehicle. The H2 was too. Suspension's been replaced. Got new suspension components, new tires, and did a few things here too. This is better with two hands, but anyway. It's got the 3.5 5-cylinder inline. It's a good engine, plenty of power, decent fuel mileage. Got a nice clean engine compartment. We replaced the radiator, water pump, the belt, a couple CO2 sensors, serviced. Everything is good to go. I put a warranty on these, 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty on the engine, transmission, so you get peace of mind. I can sell you more if you want, but it does come with some kind of warranty. But in order to do this, I take care of all the problem before I sell them. This will make someone a great first vehicle. It's affordable, it's safe, it's cool looking, and it's got all the features you'd want. A lot cheaper than the Jeep Wrangler for quite a bit more feature in this year model anyway. To see if the H3 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.